Hello friends! In this video I'll show you how to clean a burnt pot or pan. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the pan. Add some dish soap. Pour 2 glasses of water. Then turn on the gas and wait for the water to boil. Boiling time will be different for everyone. Check with a spoon. If the burnt food is easily peeled off, you can turn off the gas. Even during boiling, a foam cap is formed, so watch out. If it starts to rise, turn off the gas, let the foam settle, and then continue boiling. I boiled the solution in a saucepan for 10 minutes. Now, with a sponge and dish soap, I clean the remnants of burnt food. So friends, this is how easy it is to clean a burnt pan. My pan looks great, I'm satisfied with the result. If you like this tip, give it a thumbs up below the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, see you in other videos.